Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's a crazy day already. Yeah. All right. Okay, so we'll get some pastel colors. Got green, yellow, and blue. Kind of pastels. These came from BJ's Wholesale Club. It's kind of like a Sam's or Costco type place. So I've got napkin rings down here. I've done them before. They are so versatile in regards to paint pours. So we're just going to play around with them. I'm going to set these aside so I don't knock them over. Move other things out of the way so I don't knock those over too. So I'm going to flood the canvas so that these napkin rings will run around easily on the canvas. So, and the base color is white. So I've been stirring like crazy. Use a flow flood. Okay, so I'm going to pour a bunch of that on here. And hope I don't have much clumps in it down there at the bottom. Yeah, it looks good. All right, so I'm gonna, and this is just, there's a couple different, I won't say methods or theories, concepts, however you want to say it. This base paint allows those napkin rings to run around a little better. So you can put all kinds of things down here. If you don't want things to move, then you pour it on canvas dry and then things stay put. Yeah. It's just helps you out there. Okay. So I'm going to take these off. I know I'm going to get paint on my hands, but that's okay. I may put more gloves on. We'll see. Let me just play around with these guys. Okay. So got my paint here. And I'm randomly pouring paint into the napkin rings. And I should have a lot of paint left over. And the cool thing is I've got bottles of paint, where I can create bottles of paint and do another paint pour. I had a little one. These are hanging around here somewhere. I don't know where he went. Anyway, the little water bottles. I love those things. Okay, so here we go. I always take my stir sticks out. It just makes pouring so much easier. It just does. And the randomness just makes it look interesting instead of the same everywhere. It just does. Now, if you want it to be same everywhere, then you can do that. I'm not doing that. Just some random colors here. Oh, let's do green. Blue. You can see it's already coming out. There's coming out over here. I'm checking to see if the camera's picking up some stuff. Let's see. Let's do green again. Now, eventually, I will pick up. Let's do blue. Oh, I should throw some sparkle in there. That's a good idea. Let's grab some glitter. No, it's not open. Okay. Here we go. Let's see. So, some blue. I love playing with glitter. Just never know what glitter's going to do. You never know what paint's going to do either. That's the mystery of it. That's what makes it fun. Do I have any white left? I have a speck of white. Let me see if I have enough to pour out. Oh, look at him. The glitter's kind of like staying in one spot. That's kind of interesting. So what do we do with this blue glitter? Let's see. Interesting. This one's doing more than the others. Look how the glitters come. I don't know. It's always interesting. It's like I can see the glitter coming out, but I don't know if you guys can. Maybe you guys can start seeing some stuff. That looks pretty cool. Okay, see which one do I want to pick up? This one's pretty cool. Oh, look at it go. Isn't that cool? The interesting thing is to knowing when to stop. And that, it's funny because I'll watch people do these videos, so I'm like, okay, stop. Looks good. And then they continue on. It's like, you should have stopped 5 steps ago. Oh, no. Like, I should have left it alone. Or you should have done more to it. Yeah. Let's see. I don't think the skewers are going to do much. Skewers are fun. All right. Looks pretty cool. I'm going to pick it up a little bit and tilt it some. I like the glitter. I always like glitter though. Glitter looks cool. Look at that. Oh, I messed up the glitter here. Let's see if we can do something with it. Stretch it out a little bit. I'm going to leave it. Although I don't like what the glitter did up here. Let's see if we can do something with it. Yeah. pretty cool. I like it. It's very subtle and whimsical looking. I like it. I've got some dry spots over here. Oh, let's do some colors on the corners. There we go. Yeah. Again, knowing when to stop. That looks pretty cool. I like that. What do you guys think? Yeah. I like it. I like playing with these things. These are fun. The napkin rings. Yeah. Very cool. Yeah. And you can make your own napkin rings. Just you can cut bottles up like this, or any, even like some of these when you're done with them. Although you have to have really good scissors, but you can make your own napkin rings, that sort of thing. So yeah, pretty cool looking, huh? I like it. Looks pretty cool. All right. Well, there's a little clump there. All right. I like it. Okay, so I will take some awesome pictures of it, and I will put it right here. It looks like a good place for pictures. Yeah, got a lot of space there. I will do it with the smartest app I know. They have, I've been using them for years. I don't think they know I exist. Although they might come across and go, oh, look, somebody's used my app. Or our app. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, I'll take some pictures and put it with the app with some cool looking furniture and all that. So there you go. All right. Okay, so I'm going to get off here and go have breakfast with my husband. And what do I always tell you guys? Go out there. Be absolutely awesome. Do your thing, and I'll see you in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.